Guys, okay? So in the last class, we have seen areas of parallelograms. I hope you have enough knowledge on it. Now, shall we start circles? Is that is fine for you? Guys?
Ma'am?
Yes,
ma'am.
tell me. Okay, okay. Okay then, fine. Okay, what do you mean by circles? Tell me. Circle means what? Guys, tell me what is a circle? Circle is a locus which made by a moving point about a fixed point with a fixed distance is called a circle. For example, no tracing is coming. Okay. Now, okay, this should not happen. One second, guys. One second.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you see here, if you see, C is a fixed point, whereas D is a moving point. The locus is nothing but the path traced by the moving object is called circle. So it gives a shape. The name of the shape is circle. Okay. So the fixed point, C is called what? What is a fixed point? Tell me. Fixed point of the circle is what? Guys. What is that fixed point?
Center, ma'am.
Very good. So this is center. So this is called center, isn't it? This is called center. What about this distance?
Diameter.
Are you sure? Center to the radius. Yes. Radius. Actually, this is a radius. When you extend this to other side, then this full length, this is also radius.
2 radius.
Mhm. Oh, good. It's okay. So if 2 times of radius, 2 times of the 2 times of radius is called diameter, and this boundary length is called circumference, isn't it? The boundary length is called circumference, and the area occupied by this boundary is called area. What is circumference of the circle? Guys, tell me. Guys, what is circumference of the circle? What's the formula used to find circumference of the circle?
2 pi r1.
2 pi r. What is the area of a circle?
Pi r square.
Very good. Okay. Okay. If you draw a line, what is the name of this line?
Radius.
I
Chart.
don't think so. Card, yes. It is a card. What is the greatest length of the chord? Yes, guys, tell me. See, we can, so many chords can be drawn. What could be the maximum length of a chord? Tell me. That is diameter, isn't it? Diameter is the chord through the center, isn't it? That is also diameter. It's also a chord. The chord through the center. This is the maximum length of the chord. Maximum length of the chord equals diameter, or greatest chord is diameter. Whatever way you would like to say is. Then what about this pink line? What is the name of this pink line? Guys, tell me. The name of the line is called secant. What is it? Secant. Okay, now I draw a card. A card divide a circle into 2 parts, isn't it? Okay, then what is the name of this part? Guys?
Secant.
No, dear, no. See, now the card divides a circle into 2 parts. Part 1, part 2, isn't it? What is the name? Yeah, what is the name of the parts? Segment. Okay, segment. This is also segment and this is also segment. But how do we differentiate? This looks maximum, this look minimum, right? So you can give a name, minor segment, and this is major segment. You can name this way. The bigger one, you can name it as major segment. The smaller one, you can name it as minor segment. Segment is the area. This is the segment. And this is another segment. Okay. Then this is center. What is it? What is this shape looks like? Tell me.
Sector.
Very good. Sector. Okay, this is called a sector. What about this? This part. Yes, guys. That is also sector. As this is bigger, this is smaller. Again, same way, this is minor sector. And this is major sector. Okay, that's it. This also you can name it as this arc. I name it as AB. This you can name it as minor arc. This is major arc. This part, AB, is called minor arc. And this part, this is called major arc. Okay, guys? Draw the figures and write the details. Yes, make a note of it. Guys, once copied, let me know. Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Next, the concepts what we are going to see is chords and angles. Related with chords and angles, what are the properties are there that we are going to see? I'll show you one by one. There is a circle. Here it is a card. AB is a card. The card subtend, this is center, I name it as O. A card R and arc subtend, some angle. At center will be double the time the card subtended at the circumference. Okay, that is a concept. If I name this as C, if this is theta, then this becomes 2 theta. So what I'm saying, the card subtended at center, the angle subtended by a chord or arc. You can take either way, or this arc, whatever. Even without chord, it is also fine. For example, you just take arc. Maybe. Okay. R and arc at center will be double by the same arc, double of the same arc, chord subtend at the circumference. Okay, I'll show you in GeoGebra. You will have a better understanding. What sound is that? Some sound is coming. Yes. I hope all could see my screen. Guys, yes? Now, if you see, BC is an arc. Okay? BC is an arc. Okay. Oh, this is fine. Now, if you see, okay, BC is an arc. It can be a card or an arc. It subtends an angle 77 at the circumference. At center, it is actually, it should be 100 and 154. There is something, it's okay. There should be double at the center. If you see here it is 73, at center, 146. See here 106, here 53, wherever it is. It will not change the angle. See? The same R subtend at circumference will be constant. Wherever you take, so it will be the same. So it makes 53 at circumference. The same arc makes double the times. That is 106 at center. Got clear, guys? Understood? Mukunda, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, guys, if you don't get it anything, please ask me. What happened to others? They are leaving, coming. What's happening? I don't understand. All are joined in phone, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you see, if I make 90 degree, so angle at the semicircle is 90 degree, isn't it, guys? If it is a semicircle, the angle at the semicircle is 90 degree. Yes?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understood? Okay. So, what you can write? So, you can write two concepts. One is, wherever you draw, it will be the same. Wherever the same arc makes same angle, whatever it is, it will be the same. Okay, this is a concept. Another concept is, see, there are two concepts. I'll give you two concepts. What are the two concepts? I'll tell you. Wait. So, first concept is, there is a circle. I consider an arc. AB is an arc. See, whatever angle it makes at the, it will be the same. So, if it is theta, then wherever you take, that will be theta only. Same angle only. If it is 30, the same arc makes 30 degree only. Okay. So,
Yes.
yeah, this is one theorem. What's happening in chat? What's happening? See, should not message unnecessarily. Okay. So equal cards, first theorem. Equal same arc makes same angles at circumference. This is one concept. The next concept is this is AB is an arc and angle at center will be double the same arc angle which makes at the circumference. If this is theta, then this is 2 theta. So concept 2, an arc angle made by the at center will be double by the same arc makes at the circumference. Okay, make a note of it. And one more in this, you should know one more concept. That is, if the arc is a semicircle, arc is a semicircle. Semicircle means what? It is 180 degrees, isn't it? So this angle must be 90 degree. So you can write angle at the semicircle is 90 degree. Make these 3 points. Take a note of it.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. Now, if you see, okay. Next concept is there is a circle, there is a card. What I do, this is center. If I draw a perpendicular from center to card, then if you draw perpendicular line from center to card, it bisects the card. Okay, these two, if it is AB and this is C, then AC is equal to BC. So the concept is a line drawn from a perpendicular line drawn from center to the card, it bisects the card. What do you mean by bisector? Yes, Tamil children, tell me. What do you mean by bisector? Guys, see, bisector is a line which bisects another line into equal halves. Okay, or else perpendicular bisector means it cuts another, makes equal halves, and the angle between the lines 90 degree. Another way, or you can say, if a line is drawn from center to midpoint of the circle, then the line must be perpendicular to the chord. So you can say either way. ஒரு way என்ன சொல்லலாம்? If you draw a line, ஒரு perpendicular line, சென்டர்ல இருந்து கார்டுக்கு ஒரு perpendicular line draw பண்ணா என்ன பண்ணுது? It bisects the chord. இன்னொரு வேளை என்ன சொல்லலாம்? If you draw a line connecting center to the midpoint of the circle, it must be perpendicular to the chord. Okay, make a note of it. Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, next. It is given AB is equal to CD. AB and CD are two chords. They are, excuse me. AB and CD are the two chords. They are equal in length. Then their perpendicular distance from the center is also equal. Okay, that you should know. Okay, that you should know. So I name it as P and Q. So AB, the lengths are equal. Then it makes perpendicular distances are also equal. How do you write? Equal chords makes equal distances from the center. Okay, guys, understood the concept? I'll show you in GeoGebra, so you will have a better understanding. Now you see, there is a card. See, there is a card and there is a line from the center. If you see, the angle between the card and the center is what? It's 90 degrees. See, isn't it? And so the line is perpendicular to the card. Then what about the measures? If you see the measures, See, both are 1.8, isn't it? Huh? So it bisects the card. If you draw a line which is perpendicular to the center, perpendicular to the card, then it bisects the card. Isn't it? Now you got clear, guys? This is one concept, the another concept.
Yes, ma'am.
See, guys, one thing you remember, always make a note, everything with understanding, okay? If you don't understand anything, please ask me again and again. Don't hesitate to ask. Don't simply copy. I hope. Now you could see. Now if you see, two chords are equal in length, then the distance, perpendicular distance between the chords are also equal. See? See? This distance is also equal. The angles also equal. The chords, if the chords are in equal length. See? You understood? The chords are in equal length. Then the perpendicular distance between the chord to the center is also equal. Yes, guys? Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Similarly, one more concept is there. That is, equal arcs makes equal angle at the center. That is the one more concept. See, AB, equal arc or equal chords, whatever. CD. So arc AB is equal to arc CD. Then the angles are also equal. Okay. Equal arcs make equal angle at the center. Okay, this is another concept. I'll show you once again. See, in this one, if you see, see here, the arcs arc or tangent chord, both are different in length, isn't it? See, this is 2.4, this is 4.6. Now I make it equal to that 4.6. What happens, you see? Now you see, both the angles are matching, isn't it? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So equal arcs or equal cuts make equal angle at the center. Okay, you understood? That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who scribbled this? Erase it. So you can also write from your hand, right? Guys, I'm asking sometimes, because I want to do that. Sometimes you may work out, I want to see the way you're working. If you can able to write, yeah, that is also fine. Okay, make a note of it. We will do some sums using these concepts. Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Based on this, we will see some sums. Okay. These are all theorems. That is what we have seen already. Okay. Okay. What is given? Find the length of the chord. So draw a circle first. So there is a chord. See dear, whenever the sum is given, try to picturize the sum. Without figure, don't do the sum. Okay, on seeing the figure itself, it shows your understanding. Find the length of the chord means you're supposed to draw a figure, supposed to draw a circle, and you have to draw a chord. A chord is AB, which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle. So this is center, the perpendicular distance. I name it as this point as C. So OC it is given 5 centimeter. Okay. And the radius of the circle is 13 centimeter. So this is, if you connect this one, is 13 centimeter. You want to find the length of the chord. AB is equal to what? Yes, tell me guys, what is the idea?
Pythagoras theorem.
And Pythagoras theorem.
Very good, very good. So what you do, you take the triangle in triangle ACO. In this, what is hypotenuse? Which side is hypotenuse?
13 centimeter.
Very
13
good.
centimeter.
Very good, very good. So OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square. And this is 13 square, 5 square, AC square. So AC square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square, 169 minus 25, 144. So AC is equal to 12.
One.
Yes, AC is 12. Then what about length of the chord? Huh? Yes, length of the chord AB is what? 2 times of AC, isn't it? Because
Answer
these two
24,
measures are
ma'am.
equal. Yes, 2 times of AC, that is 2 times of 12, that is equal to 24 centimeter. Yes, make a note of it.
Finish, ma'am. In this, the figure is given. In the given figure, O is the center and the radius is 5. See, whatever is given, that you try to mention it in the figure. Okay. So this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And OP is perpendicular to AB. And OQ is perpendicular to CD. And these two are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. AB is 6 centimeter. It's given, and CD is 8 centimeter. Determine OPO. Sorry, PQ. Determine PQ. PQ is equal to what? Yes, guys, tell me what is the idea? See, if I take the triangle solution, in triangle AOP. The radius, AO is radius, that is 5 centimeter. Okay. AP is what? Who can say? Let's see. What is AP?
3 centimeter.
Very good. That is 3 centimeter. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, you could find OP, isn't it? Similarly, in triangle COQ, CQO, this is again 5 centimeter. And what about CQ?
4 centimeter.
Very good, 4 centimeter. So you could find OQ by applying Pythagoras theorem. Then what is PQ? OP plus OQ, isn't it? So do the calculation and tell me what is your answer.
Answer 7.
Hey, really? So fast, man. I think you have seen the answer and giving. Am I right? Huh?
Ma'am, OP is 4, ma'am. OQ is
Okay.
3, ma'am. I had 2, ma'am.
Okay. Superb. Very easy, huh? Very easy, son. 3 centimeter. Hey, you guys are smart, huh? Really. Very
Thank
good,
you,
very
ma'am.
good. 7 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Then I want to give you a tricky, challenging questions. Yes. In the given figure, OD is perpendicular to the chord JB. OD is perpendicular to the chord. So these two measures are equal, isn't it? Okay. Whose center is O and BC is a diameter. BC is a diameter. So this is radius. Diameter. And show that CA is equal to 2 times of OD. Yes, what do we do, guys? Tell me. What should we do? We have to see here. One thing you should be clear on seeing itself. Have you studied midpoint theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is midpoint theorem?
X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2.
No. See, if you see this, these two in the triangle ABC, if you see, what is midpoint theorem? That I'll explain. Then I'll tell you what it is. Okay. If there is a line, okay, A, B, C. First, I'll explain midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem? If these two lines are parallel and this line bisects this line, so these two measures are equal. I name it as DE, this line DE, and these two lines are these two measures. AE is equal to EC. Then C, this is called midpoint theorem. If the line bisects other two sides, then the third line must be parallel. Or else if the line is parallel, so what about, see, if, then ED is equal to half of BC, or BC is equal to whatever way you would like to say, you can say. BC is equal to 2 times of ED. Okay. This is midpoint theorem. Okay, I'll show you. I'll tell you what it is. Again, I give an explanation. If a line parallel in a triangle, a line parallel to the base and bisects other two sides, then BC is equal to 2 times of ED. So this is midpoint theorem. Now, if you see the figure, if you take the triangle AC, DO, and B. So these two measures are equal because a line drawn from center to the chord perpendicular that bisects the chord, that you know. And these two measures, these two are radius, OB and OC are radius. So it applies, we can apply midpoint theorem. So how do you write? By midpoint theorem, CA is equal to 2 times of OD. That's it. So you should know what is midpoint theorem. Then you can easily solve it. Guys, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Make a note of it.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. An equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. What do you mean by inscribed? Yes, guys, tell me. What does it mean, inscribed? I'm asking question. What does it mean, inscribed? Inscribed na enna artham? Guys, answer my question. Inscribed na, an equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle na. In a circle, there is an equilateral triangle. Inside, there is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle, all measures are equal. That is equal to 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. The radius I name it as. Guys, tell me what is the idea? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? How do you find radius of the circle? Again, what should you do? From center, you draw a perpendicular line. It bisects. I name this as D. I take the triangle, part of the triangle. In triangle BOD, this is R. And this is D. Okay. This is okay. What is BD? Guys, what is BD? BD is what? I'm asking, right? What is BD? What is the measure? BC is 9 centimeter. Then what about BD? BD is half of BC. That is 4.5 centimeter. But we need one more. Otherwise, we can't find it out. What is the idea? Is there any idea? Is idea இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? I'll tell you. Sir, equilateral triangle, what about this angle? In any equilateral triangle, what about the angle? Tell me, guys. For equilateral triangle, what about the angles in equilateral triangle? 60 degrees, isn't it? All angles are, yes, all angles are 60. Correct? இப்போ இந்த triangle okay, இது வந்து 60 degree. It is given. This is 60 நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்கோம். அப்ப இங்க என்ன? At center, what is the angle?
90 degree.
Just now we studied the concept. அதுக்குள்ள மறந்து போச்சா?
30, ma'am.
120. இது double இல்ல 120. சரியா? இது வந்து 120. இந்த லைன் என்ன பண்ணும்? Bisect பண்ணிடும். So again, this becomes 60. சரியா? So here, you can't apply Pythagoras theorem. You're supposed to apply trigonometric ratios. Have you studied trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Guys? Yes or no? படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா? No one is answering. So here, this is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. The relation between opposite and hypotenuse is sine. Okay, sine theta. So, sine 60 is equal to 4.5 over R. So, R is equal to 4.5 by sine 60. Sine 60 என்ன தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? Sine 60 வந்து root 3 by 2. That is equal to 4.5 by root 3 into 2. So 9 by root 3. There should be no root content in the denominator. Adanala you have to rationalize. Rationalize panna 9 root 3 by 3. You can cancel 3 with 9. So the answer is 3 root 3 centimeters. So the radius is 3 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Make a note of it. Guys, have you studied trigonometric ratios before? படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா?
Yes, ma'am.
படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. So that's good then. அப்போ okay. Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. இப்போ நம்ம இதே கான்செப்ட நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்லயும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். We have a lot of sums இருக்கு. Okay, நீங்களும் work out பண்ணுங்க. Come with the different sums. We will work out. Okay. If you are very clear, we will move to next concept. Okay, guys. See you then. Bye-bye.